So what we're going to do is learn how to calculate the area of the triangle. Now, I'm not just going to give you the formula, I'm going to show you why it happens this way. Okay, so let's look at this triangle. And I am going to draw in an imaginary shape around it. And hopefully we can work out what's going to happen. So hopefully what you can see by just what I've done is that I've drawn in dotted lines to show you that a triangle can be extended into a rectangle. Okay, and what you can hopefully see is that that means a triangle is half of a rectangle. And if you remember our formula for area of a rectangle, it was length times breadth. I'm going to change the letters of that now. Let's call that B, but instead of breadth, it stands for the base, or the length of the base of the triangle. And then H is going to stand for the height of the triangle. If you think it is half the size of a rectangle, which means our formula is going to be area equals a half times base times height. Or we could write that as A equals base times height over 2. And just to show you that it's the same no matter what the triangle is, because it's clear to see here, but it's maybe less clear here. So if I extended that up, I still get a rectangle, where that is the base. But now we're going to need to have this height of the triangle, which isn't one of the lengths of the sides, but it still is an important part of the triangle. Okay, so we move on to the examples. We write the formula for this one. A equals base times height over 2. The length of the base is 2. The length of the height of the triangle is 10. And then we're dividing that by 2. 2 times 10 is 20, divided by 2 is 10 millimeters squared, because it is area. Okay? And so this next one, I've given you 3 numbers, and we're thinking, do we need all of them? And if we compare this triangle to this one, we've got the base. Hopefully you can see that that is the height of the triangle, which means even though I've given you that 14 centimeters, we don't really need it. Okay, so if we fill in the formula, base times height over 2, and then that means it's going to be 8 times 5 all over 2. 8 times 5 is 40, divided by 2 is 20 centimeters squared. Okay, one last question. In this one, I've given you the area, I've given you the length of the base. What I'm now trying to find is the length of the height. Okay, so if you imagine we could put into the formula, except now we know the area, we know the base. Okay, 20 times what divided by 2 is going to give us 150. Well, let's get rid of this 2. If I bring this up, it's just going to be 300 will equal 20 times height, and then divide by the 20, and so we get height equals 300 divided by 20. It's just going to be the same as 30 divided by 2, which is 15 centimeters. Okay, and we can check that 20 times 15 will give 150. Okay, and that's how you calculate the area of a triangle.